The second generation of the famous lunar ring comes with even bolder promises and higher expectations. Is it finally ready to truly challenge Oura or Ringconn? Let's inspect. Yay! Finally! Reviewing the Lunar Ring Generation 2, which shockingly reminds me of the Lunar Ring 1, and this is a smart ring which got delayed a few times because of certain features that we have been waiting for. And there are a lot of bold promises about excellent performance and about a smart ring which is supposed to be among the best on the market. Nice to meet you, by the way. I'm the TechMishka, and I invite you to stay until the end of this video so that we can discover everything that matters about this health tracking device and figure out whether it is worth it or not. Let's go! Starting with the most important part, health tracking. Expectations are naturally high here. Over 70 health metrics and personal AI coach, they sound extremely tempting. Heart rate tracking happens continuously, but in intervals of several minutes, and builds a daily chart of how it changes. I like that Luna links useful articles to help you better understand your HR values, whether your heart is in good shape or needs some attention. From the health monitoring tile, you can also get HRV status, SpO2 and other key stats. If something deviates from healthy expectations, you're gonna get notified, but I did notice that it doesn't always match the same opinion as what you would see with Whoop or Oura. Next, let's check on the sleep section, where you're gonna be amazed by the sheer amount of statistics. The Lunar Ring shines in terms of data quantity, but accuracy of sleep stages isn't always that perfect. In fact, I sometimes felt Generation 1 was a little better over here. Hopefully firmware updates are going to refine these values even further. On the bright side, the readiness section is good, showing detailed insights into skin temperature, resting HR, respiratory rate and more. While I have mild concerns about HRV accuracy, the values aren't too far off. Interestingly, this section feels very similar to what Whoop provides. Now, let's see if it can rank in the Premier League about sports tracking. Well, Lunar Ring 2 is still not that great about it. It's simply not on par with dedicated fitness tracker. You can use it for lighter sports or as a supportive companion, but won't replace a Garmin or even an Oura ring. It is supposed to automatically detect some outdoor activities, which is nice, but it consistently missed my cycling sessions, unlike Oura and the Ultrahuman Ring Generation 2 lately. If you want detailed sports tracking, you will need to start the activity manually from the smartphone app. That way, the ring increases HR measurements, but it's not that practical. Also, heart rate data during workouts showed deviations of up to 15% compared to reality, which is concerning. Apparently, if you're into sports and care about accurate performance analytics, this is not the strongest point of the Lunar Ring 2. But it has some other great strengths. Made by Noise, one of India's most popular wearable brands, the Lunar Ring has already gained a strong reputation in the smart ring community, and for the good reasons. My unit here is the Lunar Black Edition, but there also are 2 gold finishes and a Stardust Silver option. Before buying, it's very important to use the sizing kit and wear the dummy ring for at least a day, because finger size changes throughout the day due to blood flow, activity and temperature. I can happily confirm that the paintwork and the scratch resistance are both very good. Personally, I avoid glossy models because they always end up showing scratches in my lifestyle, but this here stays strong. Design-wise, it looks almost identical to Generation 1, to the point I sometimes had to double-check which one I'm wearing. The ring is made of titanium with PVD coating, and as a tech enthusiast, I actually prefer this design over the fully titanium build of Oura Ring 4, because here you can see the sensors inside, which feels more techy. The new charging station is also worth mentioning. Clearly inspired by Ringconn's approach, it's not only beautifully designed, but also super practical. Now, here's a short list with the most remarkable tech specs, and among that I'm gonna mention again the titanium and PVD build, the Bluetooth BLE for connectivity, the PPG sensor, blood oxygen and temperature tracking, 3-axis accelerometer for tracking your steps, there's a pretty decent battery, and of course all the data goes straight to the Lunar Ring smartphone app. As it is common with smart rings, Luna do not really disclose the exact models of the image sensors inside, nor they talk about the exact battery capacity, which probably varies depending on the size. And we don't really know about the Bluetooth version which is inside, and that is being used for communication to the smartphone. But it is rather on the bright side. And unfortunately, if I do a teardown in order to see the exact details, this is probably going to entirely destroy the ring. So we focus on whatever we know. For example, I was expecting with Generation 2 Luna to present a remarkably better battery experience. Well, unfortunately not much better than Generation 1, not as good as Ringconn Generation 2, and I would say it's rather comparable to what the current generation of Oura ring is providing. The big advantage, though, is the new case. This is, besides storage area, also a charging station, and thanks to the extra battery inside, you can stay away from a wall charger for up to a month.
The Luna app is where all the data comes together. You've already seen the main health and workout sections, but there are a few extra tricks. AI being the trendy buzzword right now, and Luna tries to make use of its features like Caffeine Advisor, which could be genuinely helpful if you're struggling with sleep. Another clever feature is the ability to locate your ring via Bluetooth signal, similar to how AirTags work, something small but very practical. You also get basic integration with Google Fit, though Strava support is still missing. Which reminds me that it is a good moment to talk about drawbacks. HR accuracy during workouts is questionable, there is no dedicated airplane mode, and battery life is only slightly improved compared to Generation 1 and not as good as what Ringconn or Oura provide at the moment. If I've missed something, feel free to add it in the comments below, and I'd love to hear your experience.
In the end, I wish I could say not only that Luna Ring 2 is better than Luna Ring 1, but also that it is a true competitor to Oura Generation 4 and Ringconn Generation 2. Apparently this is more like an incremental upgrade over the Luna 1. Yet, I can recognize three really key strengths of this ring. The first one being that there's nothing fundamentally broken with the Luna 2, meaning that good, reliable, well-served information. Secondly, it costs less than its direct competitors, and thirdly, that it doesn't hide any of the features behind paywalls. So while obviously it is not the best choice on the market, I think it is a very solid option that you can get at a reasonable amount of money. In case you have questions or you would like to share from your own personal experience with smart rings, then join the party in the comment section below the video. If you want to buy your own Luna, then follow the link from the video description area. And in case you're here for more cool tech inspections, probably you might want to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching this episode till the end, and I, Michael the TechMishka, wish you a fantastic day. See ya!